Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I'm like super late to see the update on Gorilla Tag. Reason why, homework, many stuff, and family stuff. So get on good. Wow, that's interesting. And for people who play Roblox, never mind, I'll show you guys that in another video. Oh, Big Scary got an update. Wanna see it? Okay, you know what? I think we're gonna check out Gorilla Tag first. Then, the next half of this other video is gonna be about other stuff. I've already checked this out. I'm sorry, I just didn't have time to make a video. Alright, love is burning so bright it has set the forest ablaze. Trying to get signed by the return of the volcano. Celebrate your Valentine with Cupid-themed cosmetics and other fiery fashion in the shop. I'm not gonna read the rest. You could read the rest. Just pause it at that time. I forgot it. Go into a code. Alright. Off to a spectacular start. Alright, new fan code. If you want to join me, fan code is Ian Real. That's the code. That's gonna be my fan code. People who want to join it. Meet me. I probably shouldn't show you this right now, but this is the new free cosmetic. There is 3. There's 3. This is one of them. Oh, little secret. Pop balloons out of here. And I don't know how they're filled with water, but this is the new free cosmetic. Ugh. You could just bite into it. Look at it. Wait, what? Oh yeah, let me show you this. Yeah, this is weird. Don't ask how. But look at the GT3 and other cos. Oh, I just really want this. It looks like Super Saiyan. And then there's the. And then there's this. And there's so many other stuff. Go check out other people's reviews. I'm not gonna check it out. I'm sorry, but here's the daily tea. Cherries. Right. Alright. They closed off second floor, by the way. Under construction. Please come back. This was just open. Come on. It's literally just open. It was open, bruh. If you guys want to know, if you guys want to see Swamp, well, that's what I'm going to right now. You guys are going to see Swamp. Woohoo! Mama! Oh, whoa. As you know, Swamp is gonna change over time. And yeah, the reason why this is so buggy, they haven't fully completed it because they're testing out maps. And yeah, that's like mainly the reason why it's not. But that's the reason why it's so glitchy. Well, yeah, that's the reason. Come over here. It's a forest. And look at that. Whoa. I'm gonna fill up the lava. Ooh, lava's almost here. A frick. I think this is high enough. Should be. No, yeah, like this is. Oh, I think it's gonna rise a little bit more. I think it's actually gonna reach this. No, never mind. I swear I remember it going all the way up there. Alright, let's check out Big. Bro, that was creepy. I swear I thought I heard someone enter. I just dipped. Now let's check out Big Scary. Woohoo! Alright, yeah. Just some new cosmetics, new level soon. Also, if you are falling out of the map, please try resetting your boundary. Well, I think there's new cosmetics. Yeah, maybe just we'll just check them out. My name. Yeah, I'm gonna reset this real quick. Cause I wanna check out the cosmetics. Whoa, they changed it. Why is this green? Like, hey! Oh, come on. Well, check someone else's video. It's not working for me. Yeah. So sorry about that. Wait, what? That's literally not where my hand is at. Well, it's kinda. Alright, either way. Bye bye. See you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Stay monkey. Yippee. Stay monkey.